To prepare the wood ear fungus, first we will put the dry fungus into a bowl and we will submerge them with water. We have to wait for around 30 minutes, and as you can see, the wood ear fungus will enlarge in size after it has absorbed the water. And the wooden ears always have like a little bit part that is like the root and they are hard, so we have to cut off the hard part because it's not eatable. Then we can cut the fungus into smaller pieces and we will slide them in one way and then we'll finally chop them in another direction. Once we have chopped the wooden ear, we can put them aside again with other chopped vegetables.